All right, Child's Garage, we're back. Today I'm gonna be teaching my boy how to use the welder for the first time. So this should be fun. He's 9. Gonna see how well he can do. Okay, can you see right here? Okay, wait, lift your mask up for a minute. I'm not gonna do anything, just lift up. I gotta show you something. So we wanna weld this to this right here. So that means we have to put a weld from here to here. They have to connect. So I'm going to start my weld right here and I'm going to build up a bump so it holds it, okay?
Okay.
Can you see? There.
Yep.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready to watch this right here? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
That's really dry.
Now lift up and look at this. You see that?
Yeah.
That's called a bead. And that bead now is melted to this and to that. See how I did that? Okay, you want to try?
That's dry.
So like I can hold it right here, it's not going to do nothing. But as soon as I pull this trigger, that's when it starts, okay? Can you see?
Yeah.
Don't pull the trigger until you're ready. You see the trigger's right here.
Yeah.
Your finger's not on it. Your finger on it? Okay, don't, not yet. Okay, go ahead. Stop. Okay, let's go again. Hold it for longer. Hold it for about 3 seconds. There we go. Look at that.
Whoa, that's huge.
It is.
It's cool.
Nice job, buddy.
Yay. I did it.
Not bad for your first try. All right, not too bad for his first time. Cleaned it up with the grinder a little bit. Yeah, not too bad for his first time.